We're going to look at zones, something called support and resistance zones. So what are support and resistance zones? Support and resistance zones are areas where price changes in direction. That means that when the price gets to these areas, it changes in direction to the opposite direction. Now, the zones or a zone is characterized. The zones are characterized by, at least two or more points. So here we have 1 point, and here we have another point. You realize that around this point, price reversed. At the same point, price reversed. Now, why is it called a zone? It's called a zone because it's usually a broad area as opposed to like a line where the price changes in direction. You can see that at this point here, right, the market reversed, right? It went up and reversed, right? Somebody may say that it's a line, all right, but then if you look here, this one did not touch the line, but still the market did reverse. So that's why we talk about zones. So for a zone, the zone usually covers about, it covers a range or an area, right? Covers a range or an area where the price reverses or usually reverse from. So even not there, somewhere around here, right? That's where the zone is. Why? Because forex trading has got to do with, it's like a price changes, price movements can sometimes be different. Even on different chart screens, right? The price reading can be a little bit slightly different. So you must give room for error, you must give room for movement, right? So plus minus 10 or 20 pips. So plus minus 10 or 20 pips or even 30 pips for a zone. So when we draw a line, or when we identify a line for a zone, we go up, we go up 20 pips, we come down 20 pips, or we go up 30 pips, come down 30 pips, and that whole area is a zone. So now we have this zone here, and we have already seen how price reversed, right, when it entered the zone. So if we go to the future, right, today for instance, if we go ahead in the charts, we will see something that happened. We will see that today the market was trading when the market was trading, right, when the currency or the price reached the zone. Again, there was a reversal, right? There was a reversal. So this type of zone where price will come downwards, right, is called a resistance zone. So resistance, R for resistance. And the opposite is called support. The opposite is called support.